Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook for the 8th of June 2021. In today's market outlook, as per usual, we're going to be discussing the major forex pairs alongside the DXY and Gold. So to begin with the DXY, what are we currently seeing? Well, the DXY is currently stalling at this area of demand on the 4-hour time frame. So as we all know, we had the channel maturement with the 1, the 2 and the 3rd trendline touch, after which we saw a major drop back in towards the lows. So price is currently not doing that much, just stalling within this area of demand. So what is next for the DXY? Well, what I'm currently looking at is a drop further back down in towards the lows. So I don't have a lot of faith that this demand zone will hold. However, of course, everything is possible. However, at the moment we are situated at this area of resistance, and looking at the 4-hour price action, I think this is just an early London pullback before heading back down lower, back down towards that 89,682 level. So if we do see some rejection from here, I will be looking for some potential DXY shorts back in towards the lows. So yeah, let's have a look at how we react to this area of resistance at the moment. We could dip a little bit higher looking at what we have over here. We have this fib, of course, and the 618 does align with a nice area of interest. And the 0.5 fib does as well. So looking at the 1 hour, this is my area of interest as resistance, because this is my area of supply within the market, and I have another supply zone just a little bit higher and a little bit bigger at the 618 and at the 786. So I do expect the DXY to start dropping from either here or the 786/618. So yeah, that is all to be honest on the DXY. We also have this trend line towards the downside, currently breaking it, but as long as we do not break this high over here, we will be moving further back down in towards the lows. If we do take out this high, I'll be looking for a break retest to trade the DXY back up in towards the highs. So yeah, that's the DXY for you. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is currently stalling at this 3rd trendline touch. So yeah, to be honest, Aussie dollar, I'm not a big fan of the current structure and what we are currently seeing. Of course, we could start dipping back down in towards the lows from here after this major overextended move back up in towards the highs of 116 pips. So what am I looking for? Well, at the moment we do have this area of demand within the market, so I do expect a little reaction from here. What I probably want to see is a dip in, one more push up, a nice double top, and that for me will be the confirmation that we potentially could see more downside. At the moment there's just not a lot of structure to work with on Aussie dollar, to be honest. Yeah, the pair in general is just really messy at the moment, so I would rather just wait and see what's going to happen next instead of trying to take any shorts or longs from this area within the market. So yeah, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar has been moving back up in towards the highs as expected, so we do potentially have that 3rd trendline touch over here. We just missed out on that area of supply within the market, from where I did potentially expect that we could see a dip back down lower. So at the moment, yeah, euro dollar also not showing a lot. If we look at what the 1 hour is currently doing, what we can then see is that we currently have this ascending trend line, which we are currently at. Yeah, of course, everybody's going to be looking for some potential longs from this area. So if we just roll this on, everybody's going to be looking for some longs from the 618. Therefore, I'm not really interested in it due to the fact that the trade is so obvious, right? So we have the low, the high, the higher low, the higher high, and now a new potential higher low. Yeah, I don't really trust the setup, and therefore I'm just going to be waiting for a nice price pattern to form. So at the moment, why am I waiting for a new price pattern? Well, mainly due to the fact that the market's just not that clear, as we can see. So as we can see, we had the 3 lows, so the 1, 2, 3rd touch, channel maturement essentially. I wouldn't be surprised if we do move back up higher. However, I want to see a real breakout above the highs, right? So I really want to see euro dollar start moving back up in towards the highs. For instance, take out this high over here before I'm really going to be considering taking any longs on this pair. I might seem a bit conservative this week, however, after 2 very good weeks, there's no reason to start forcing any trades which you're not a big fan of. So yeah, with euro dollar discussed, let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is currently back at resistance, currently dropping. Pound dollar super messy, not really gonna focus on this pair, as we can see currently at resistance, and we've been stalling at this area of demand within the market. So yeah, price is just fluctuating in between these 2 levels, just consolidating. So we're gonna start to have to see a breakout in either direction before looking for any longs or shorts. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And yeah, Kiwi dollar is actually the only pair which I'm really interested in, and I'm currently within a short. So where's Kiwi dollar heading next? Well, it does seem as if we are going to be heading towards the downside. So as you guys can see, I did start shorting from the trend line. So we had the 1, the 2, and now the 3rd trendline touch alongside this area of supply within the market and the 618 fib. So after that, I did recognize that we had a 1 hour fake out on the highs. So I marked out this swing high over here. As we can see, we saw a fake out on it, got a pin bar, and after that I decided to go short. So yeah, position is currently running in some good profit. However, with London Open coming up, I do want to start setting my position to break even, as I do not want to get stopped out upon the fake out of London Open. Because looking at the 4 hour, I still wouldn't be surprised if we do come back up for a nice double top before dumping further in towards the lows. So yeah, let's head over to gold. And yeah, gold to finish off with. Gold was a break-even trade for me, sadly. Yeah, as you guys can see, we were moving nicely back in towards the lows. However, from here we've been moving back up in towards the highs. So gold is not that clear at the moment, to be honest. We do have this ascending trend line currently at the 3rd touch, so yeah, you could go long. However, that's what all retail traders are also doing. But yeah, I'm just going to be waiting personally. If we do still react to this zone, which is a possibility, we could still dump back in towards the lows. If we do move back up higher, this is going to be my first target area, and this is going to be my 2nd major target area, from where we will reevaluate the situation and potentially be looking for some new shorts. So yeah guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Thanks guys.